Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the quality of your Google Photos backups. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Google Photos app and then tap your profile icon from the top right of the screen. From here, open Photos Settings. In Settings, tap Backup and Sync. Under where it says Upload Size, it tells you your current upload quality. The free unlimited storage is called High Quality, but it does compress the images and will make them be lower quality than the original on your device. Tap Upload Size and you will be able to change the upload quality. If you choose Original, you will only get 15 GB of free storage. After that, you will need to purchase a Google Drive subscription to continue saving in the highest quality. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Photos tips and tricks.